another day in the summer break for the Active Brudis. Good morning!
Bye!
We went here to Laterns in Austria for those rocking horses. That's amazing, right?
Yeah, but we're not here for those things.
You're not here for those, why?
No. We're going here on these tracks with...
You also want to take a ride on that toboggan run? All
yes,
right.
I want. And first we go on the trampoline.
Okay.
For warming up.
You go warming up at the trampolines. Okay, take off your shoes and enjoy.
It's going to be great. Yeah.
Hi Mario. Enjoy. Hi Aaron. Enjoy. They are both in one sledge. Full speed! So you did 2 runs now with that toboggan run. How was it?
Cool. I saw the rabbit and it was so fast.
The rabbit, okay. Which ride was faster, when you take a ride on your own or together? Marius. Okay. You wanna go one more time?
Yes.
All right. Another amazing day in the summer break for the Active Brudis here at the Toboggan Run in Laterns. What was the coolest one, Adi and Mario?
Toboggan run together.
The Toboggan Run as a team. That was amazing. You can enjoy the rope a bit and those swings as well as the trampolines. We say thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye! Bye! I'm going on this rock. This cool. Why didn't do this one time?
Set. Go!
Bye bye, Mario. Juke.